She had the bluest eyes I'd ever seen, eyes that popped when she wore purple, eyes that twinkled when she smiled, those eyes that made my heart go wild. That sweetest smile, so shy and perfect, that smile that gave me such respect. It filled me with joy. I wish that she could be my girl. Haju Amüzho, so shy and honest, pure and true. I'm trying hard to get to know you. You're funny and smart and always kind. I think I'm gonna lose my mind. That sweetest smile, so shy and perfect, that smile that gave me such respect. It filled me with joy. I wish that she could be my girl. Haju Amüzho. How can there be a girl so sweet? I think my life is now complete. You talk with me and laugh with me. With my heart you have the key. That sweetest smile, so shy and perfect, that smile that gave me such respect. It filled me with joy. I wish that she could be my girl. Haju Amüzho. Even though you don't see me, when you do I'll be free. And then we'll be more than pals, and you'll forget about other guys. I'll be so happy you'll hear my laughter, 'cause this is my ever after. Oh, that sweetest smile, so shy and perfect, that smile that gave me such respect. It filled me with joy. I wish that she could be my girl. Haju Amüzho.